Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I'm finally back and showing you this set.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
So I'm going to start off first by sharing with you the products that I'm using in today's set, and first off is Mint Ninja, and this is the new 28 gram jars, which are absolutely huge. I am so excited for them to be on the website, and we will be adding some colours very soon. I'll also be using Opal, which is a glitter infused acrylic. It is absolutely so pretty, and it can go with any colour you have available. Please don't forget, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. Thank you. The next colour that I'm sharing with you is Lilac Rose, and this one is another 28 gram jar. We do also have the 10 gram jars available as well, for those of you that may be mobile nail techs or just want to travel with a lighter kit, or just have the smaller jars. So this is a gorgeous pastel lilac colour. The brush that I'm using is the number 12 Rainbow Aqua brush, and it is such a dreamy brush. It's a flat oval shape, which means it isn't round and it is pinched at the ferrule area, which makes it super precise for applying your product. I'm also going to be using the new Pure Pink cover powder, which is not just available as of yet, but hopefully soon. It's just in the labelling and foil sealing department. The nail tips that I've already applied to my practice hand are the Easy Tips, and they are the most slender, beautiful long nail tips. I've used them in clear and I've kept them at full length. So for this nail I'm coming in and I've used Lilac Rose at the tip, and then I'm going to be blending in Mint Ninja. And honestly, our acrylic is such a gorgeous, easy formula to work with. It just lays down beautifully. You can work wet with this product or you can work as dry as you like. You control it to whatever you prefer. So I'm just coming in, and this is just going to be the second bead of the Mint Ninja colour, just making sure I've got a nice high coverage and it's further up the nail. And then I'm coming in with that new Pure Pink cover powder. Honestly, it is such a dreamy, beautiful, bright pink. I am in love, and it has taken so long to get this and to have it available in such a beautiful formula that I am happy with, that applies absolutely stunningly. So I really hope you enjoy this powder and this colour when it is available. Hopefully I can announce soon once it's finished. So yeah, I've just applied that to the cuticle area and blended it down, and honestly it looks divine. So over the top of my ombre, I'm coming in with the Opal glitter infused acrylic, and this just really sets off the shades and the tones, and it really makes the set look super dreamy and kind of whimsical, and I don't know, it just really makes it pop and brings that sparkle and pizzazz. So now I'm happy with this nail and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be moving on to the next one. So this one is going to be just a double ombre with the Mint Ninja and the Pure Pink cover powder. So I'm applying the Mint Ninja to the tip and making sure to cover the length of the nail, and then I'm feathering the product backwards up the nail just to make sure we don't have a harsh line. I'm just coming in next with a second smaller bead of Mint Ninja and just placing that a little further up and blending it in the same. Once I've done that, I'll be coming in with Pure Pink. So now I'm coming in with the Pure Pink cover powder from Nailmate. I will try to announce this as soon as possible. I know so many of you guys are going to want it. Everyone's going crazy for it already. I've shared it on my Instagram, and I can see why, because it's such a perfect, beautiful colour. Well, it is for me anyway, and probably quite a few people. Might not be for everybody, but I love it. So yeah, I'm just applying a few beads at the cuticle area and blending down over that Mint Ninja, and it just gives such a gorgeous seamless blend. It's absolutely just adorable. Like, it's a super adorable, cute pink. I also thought that it would be a fun idea to do some secret giveaways, so I'm not sure when I'll be doing them, but just at random times throughout my videos. So this is going to be the first one. Comment the secret word down below, which is marshmallow, with some pink emojis, and I will choose a winner. Whoever's commented the secret word in the comments down below, I'll be choosing a winner from those comments, and you will be winning some goodies. I will send them out from my website, and we'll just tailor the little winnings to wherever you are located. So this is open internationally. I think we can ship to most places. So yeah, and I'll just get some glitters and little goodies together and send them out to the little winner. I thought it would be fun, and it's just a nice way of giving back to those of you that really enjoy and thoroughly watch and support my videos and content. So yeah, I'm excited, and I think I might do some big ones soon as well, so woohoo! For this nail, I've just applied a full coverage of lilac rose coloured acrylic, and then I'm coming in with the opal glitter infused acrylic, applying that to the tip and blending up, and honestly, absolutely gorgeous combination. For the pinky finger, I'm coming in with lilac rose at the tip, pulling it down the length of the tip, making sure that the product is nice and even and the coverage is nice and full. And then towards the cuticle area, I'm going to be applying the pure pink cover powder and blending that down for a two-toned ombre. I just want to let you know as well that I will link and list all of the products down below in the description box. If you are interested in anything that I mention, then definitely go and check that out. So now that I'm happy with all of my acrylic application this far, I'm going to come in with some of the white hollow circles, and I don't mean holographic, I mean hollow as in they've just got a hole in the middle. These are called Halo, and they are available from glitterplanetuk.com, and I'm just applying those with some clear acrylic, making sure that they are laying as flat as possible to the nail, so that when I come to encapsulate it is easy and I'm not going to be filing the little pieces of glitter off. I'm also going to come in and apply some of those onto the pointer finger as well, just to make sure that the set is nice and coordinated and all matching and looking well thought out. So next I'm going to move on to the thumbnail, and again I'm going to be doing a 3-colour ombre. However, this time I'm going to be placing Mint Ninja towards the tip area. So I'm just applying my coloured acrylic, blending it down the tip, and then making sure to feather it backwards up into the nail as well. Once I've done that, I'll be coming in with Lilac Rose, which is another gorgeous colour. I'm just applying the bead slightly further up, pressing from side to side to make sure that I'm covering the entire width of the nail, and then I'm pulling down with my brush. And honestly, the Nail Mate colours just absolutely melt into one another when you are doing ombres. I don't know, I just love them so freaking much. I mean, I have to. I've created them. I wouldn't be, you know, using them and supplying them if I wasn't 1010% happy. So yeah, after I've applied Lilac Rose, I'm going to come in with the Pure Pink Cover Powder at the cuticle area. Here's a close-up view for you guys. I'm placing that bead down and pressing again side to side, making sure to tuck it in at the cuticle and blend down. And honestly, such a beautiful, beautiful blend is created with such little effort. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in with the Opal glitter infused acrylic, and I'm going to apply it on an angle over the nail, so kind of from one corner trailing across to the tip, and it just looks like such a gorgeous, pretty effect. I also wanted to share with you the hand that I'm using. It is this one. I love using it, and I love using the curved one as well, so I'll have them linked down below. They are available on my website, and you can get 5% off with Ninja 5 at the checkout area. Look how gorgeous that looks over the top of them pastels. I absolutely love it so much. Okay, so I'm coming in with Nail Mate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate all of these nails. So I'm just going to cap these nails in clear, and then I'll be back to add the top coat. I just had to have one last look at this gorgeous thumb combination because it is beautiful, and I wanted to share it with you, of course. So I go ahead, file and buff off of camera, and then I'm going to come in with Nail Mate Super Gloss. This is a tack-free top coat, so there is no tacky layer. You can just go ahead, cure it in the lamp, and then you are ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to apply top coat to all of the nails. I cure these one by one, just to make sure that I'm not going to kind of knock them or touch them, just because it's not a moving live client. They can't keep the fingers out of the way as such, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So I just do a quick cure just for 30 seconds or so, just so I'm not smudging it. I like to keep a super high shine glossy surface. So yes, I like to say I do that most of the time. Look at this now, I'm definitely not going to go and cure it, am I? I just knew that I could keep that one out of the way, and the next one as well, so I guess I don't always do that, but if you struggle, then do what I just said previously. So yeah, I just love seeing these like colours and blends and glitters come to life with that top coat. Such beauty. So I've cured in the lamp, and I've applied my luxury cuticle oil from Nail Mate in Lemongrass, and this is the final result. So I really hope you've loved this video. I hope you've loved creating this with me, and I hope you love the outcome. I absolutely love how it looks, and I would have this set on like right now. I'm kind of sad that I don't, because my nails are looking super crazy. I've not done them for so long. They are so grown out and need a revamp, so that's coming soon, hopefully as soon as I get time. But yeah, check all the products out down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, remember guys that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.